Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. I hope all of you are doing very well. Today's message is a question that you might have been asking yourself. How can I move forward faster? If you feel like you are stuck in between energies or maybe two worlds, know that we have to understand that our foundation must be built on or rooted before we can move on. Only then can we let go of the emotions that are constantly stuck in our mind. There's a lot of passion inside of you, and when your foundation is stable and rooted, this will bring more creativity and expression in your life. Thank you, guys.